Hi guys, it's Connor from BlackpoolFCFanTV, and today we take on Portsmouth. It's currently 5:30 in the morning, and last time we played them, we beat them 1-0, and I think history will repeat itself and we'll win 1-0 today. Blackpool! Shoot! Oh! Oh! What a save!
Check it out, check it out.
Blackpool! Shoot! Oh! Go on! Shoot! Oh! Go on! Shoot!
Yes!
Yeah! Shoot! Oh! Shoot! Oh! Go on! Go on. Oh! Everyone knows the show. Don't wanna go home. Don't wanna go home. Don't wanna go home. This is the best trip I've ever been on. Dude. Oh. Get it. We ended the unbeaten streak. Come on, 4-0. We follow Blackpool FC. We come from the seaside. We always see football. It's Tangerine and white. The boycott is us. We carried heavy loads. And now here we're singing from the sound of Blackpool. What a result, 4-0 against top of the league. We've beaten their streak that I think it was since March, as I remember, the streak that they had in the league, and you know, we've ended up putting 4 past them. 2 weeks where we put 4 goals past an opposition, and I think that was the best we played the whole season so far. I think we looked very good and we dominated the whole game, and they were a bit threatening in the first half, and in the second half I didn't think they were that great. You know, all the goals were fantastic, and Ali Morgan goals stand out for me. An absolute finish. And we got everything right today. We got the tactics right, the team was right, and we just played good. You know, going back to Shrewsbury, we looked good against them, and we played the same lineup, and we looked even better. I think we played better against Portsmouth than we did against Shrewsbury. I think everything was pretty much going our way, and obviously they got a red card as well. We could have put maybe 5 or 6 past them as well. The chances that we had, obviously, you'll see, you're just seeing through the clips. But yeah, I think we were definitely, if we carry on like this, we can definitely go on to push for promotion, and you know, or the playoffs as well. So you know, I think we got the squad. We're good enough, and you know, we played good against the top teams, and we need to carry on this form and this run on to Tuesday night against Northampton. The channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday night, Northampton at home.